In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically add names and emails in Docusign. If you've ever wanted to streamline your electronic signature process by incorporating recipient data directly into your templates, you're in the right place. This guide will walk you through each step to make that happen efficiently and effectively. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Docusign website. Docusign is renowned for its expertise in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, making it an indispensable tool for businesses and individuals alike. If you don't have an account yet, easily sign up on their platform. For those who already have an account, simply head over to the login page by clicking on Log In. Enter your credentials and you'll be directed to your Docusign homepage. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the navigation menu and select Templates. Templates in Docusign allow you to save time by creating reusable forms, making your document signing process more efficient. After clicking on Templates, look for the option to Create Template and give it a click. This action will lead you to a page where you can set up a new template tailored to your needs. Next, it's time to add the essential details to your template. This includes naming your template, adding a description, and uploading any files you need signed. Adding specifics will help keep your documents organized and easily accessible for future use. Ensure that the documents you upload are clear and legible, as this reduces any chances of misunderstanding during the signing process. Now, let's move on to adding recipients to your template. The recipients are the individuals who will receive and need to act on the documents you prepare. You can add names and emails directly into the template to pre-populate these fields, streamlining your workflow. This function is particularly beneficial if you frequently send documents to the same individuals. Once you've entered all relevant details, save your template. By completing these steps, you've successfully set the stage for automating the addition of names and emails in Docusign templates. Remember, these templates not only save time but also enhance the accuracy and consistency of your document handling. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've automated the process of adding names and emails in Docusign. This approach ensures you spend less time on repetitive tasks and more time focusing on what truly matters. Take advantage of Docusign's powerful features to make your digital document handling a breeze. Thanks for watching and happy signing. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need further assistance.